Hello kids, hope you are all doing well. Welcome to my numeracy space. Children, I am Goldie ma'am. Children, all of you must have done the revision of basic colors that you learned yesterday. So, to start the session, I will be asking you one question. What is the color of your ma'am's dupatta? Children, what is the color of dupatta? It is blue in color. I know all of you sitting there know the answer. And children, I really miss the answers that you give me when I ask you the same question when you are with me in the classroom. But this is the best way to stay connected to you. Children, excited? Want to learn more about colors? I have something interesting for you. We'll be doing revision of colors through practical demonstration, and then we will be doing 2 activities related to colors. Children, I will be showing you first the crayons. This is red color crayon, this is green color crayon, this is yellow color crayon, this is blue color crayon, this is white color crayon, and this is black color crayon. I will show you pegs of different colors. Yellow pegs, green pegs, blue pegs, and children, red pegs. Children, what are these? These are leaves. Check the color. These are green in color. And what is the color of basket? Green. So basket is green in color and leaves are green in color. What is the color of pouch? Blue. Children, it is blue in color and basket is also blue in color. So children, now we have revised all the colors with practical demonstration. Children, through traffic light also you can revise colors. Red light at the top says stop. Yellow light in between says get ready. And green light at the bottom says go. So now whenever children you go out with your parents, just have a look at these traffic lights. Children, we will be doing the activity of building the tower with the help of this blocks. See, I have 3 color blocks, green, yellow and blue. So we will be able to build 3 towers. One of green color, then blue color and yellow color. This activity will help you in recognition of colors and also enhance your building skills because you are going to build towers, and also help to enhance eye-hand coordination. Chalo, this is green color. So we will keep it here. Then yellow we'll put here. Again, this is green, so I'll put on green tower. This is yellow, again yellow will come here, then green will come here, then this is blue. So where will I put this blue block? Here. Then this will come. No, first this will come, then this. Now green block will come here, then this will come here. I've created green tower. This yellow block will come here, then this will come here, and this will come here. This blue block will come here. So check out, I have created 3 towers, yellow tower, blue tower and green tower. Enjoy making the same with blocks at your home. Ready children for the fun activity? Come on, I have here for you the sorting activity which will help you in recognition of different colors and also enhance the eye-hand coordination. So children, I have here blue box, green box and yellow box, and I have few colors of blocks with me. So we will be sorting the blocks according to the box that I have in front of me. For example, this is green block. So where will I put this green block? Here, no. Here, yes, because this is green color box. Now I will take this block. This is blue color block, so I'll put in blue box. This is yellow, so I will put in yellow box. This is green, I will put in green box. This is blue, I'll put in blue box. This is green, I will put in green box. This is yellow, I'll put in yellow box. Yellow block, so yellow box. Block, so blue box. Children, see, now I have all the yellow color blocks in yellow box, green color blocks in green box and blue color blocks in blue box. Now you can enjoy doing the same activity with your sister or brother and also involve your parents in doing the same activity. Have fun. Children, thorough with the basic colors. So now it's time for some written practice. I will be explaining you the worksheet that you will do it nicely. Have a nice day. Bye children. Children, in this worksheet, you have to match the color with appropriate picture. On one side, circles of different colors are given and on opposite side, pictures of different colors are given. The first circle is of red color. So you have to find the picture of red color on the opposite side and match with it. The first picture is of leaf, which is green in color. The second picture is of cloud, which is blue in color. The third picture is of strawberry, which is red in color. So you have to match strawberry with red color circle. The second circle is of green color, which you will match with leaf, which is green in color. The third circle is of black color, which you will match with cat, which is also of black color. The fourth circle is of blue color, which you will match with cloud, which is blue in color. Now children, you are clear with the concept of colors and you know various colors very nicely.